this is the kind of groove you would like to play. But somehow you're stuck with this. If you're in this position, don't worry. Just watch the video till the end and you'll be able to break free from those boring drum grooves. First, we'll start replacing the grooves with what's called as the linear groove. Even though that sounds a bit technical, it's actually pretty simple. A linear groove is a pattern where no two limbs are played simultaneously. So let's start with the first pattern and we will break it down into 4 simple parts. Part 1 is kick, left, right, left. Here the thing to note is we have an accent on the hi-hat followed by a ghost note on the snare. Part 2 is right, left, kick, kick, where the left is a ghost note. Part 3 is right, right, kick, right. Here we are accenting the second right. The final part starts with a right hand accent and ends with a left hand accent. And it sounds like this. Now let's play it together and see how that sounds. Now let's see how our groove sounds at 60 BPM and then at 125 BPM. See, it's simple and cool, right? If you're enjoying the lesson, consider subscribing as we have new drum lessons every week. Now let's check out the second groove. We'll make it more interesting by adding the patterns of 3s and 5s. Like before, let's simplify the groove into 4 parts. Starting with part 1, we have the right pattern, which is right, left, left, and we end it with a kick. So right, left, left, kick. Part 2 is just single strokes, right, left, and we have the second right accented. Part 3 starts with the ghosted left, and the pattern is left, kick, right, right. So you might be thinking where the 5 pattern is. If you combine part 2 and the first note of part 3, you'll get right, left, left. So that's the 5 pattern. If that sounds complicated, you don't have to think of it as 5 pattern. Just learn the pattern and move on to part 4. In part 4, we have left, kick, right, left. Here the first left is an accent and the last note is a ghost note. Now all you have to do is combine the 4 parts and play it as a one long pattern. Once you learn the basic structure of the groove, it's a fun one to play. Let's see how that sounds. Awesome. Now try our groove at 60 BPM and then at 120 BPM. Now that you have learned this, you can apply it to your playing and free yourself from those repetitive grooves that you've been playing all this while. If you like this video, definitely check out last week's video right here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.